Hey guys, this is a Costco day. It looks like they have this Pedi-Perfect Luxury Pro Kit rechargeable foot file on sale for $44.99. Normally there's around $60 for this kit, and I'll leave the link below. They basically sell it online as well as most retail places. But there's also other brands and stuff that sells it for, or they even have a lower non-pro kit for like about 20 bucks or so. I'll leave the link below. The interesting thing about this kit is that one, you get that waterproof foot filer, as well as multiple replacement heads or filings, as well as a accessory bag to hold all this stuff. It also recharges, wirelessly, so you don't have to plug it in, and the thing is waterproof for the file. So you could do this after a shower or after a bath and stuff. The interesting thing is that it comes with 4 of those roller files, which is cool, or the stones, as well as basically a regular one, as well as ultra coarse ones. I guess in case you have really tough calluses, and of course an exfoliating brush, for dry skin. That's cute. And also a luxury storage bag, which is nice as well. There's dual speeds, and it's meant for feet and skin. The diamond crystal ones is the dark one. It's basically it's waterproof and it's rechargeable. Basically, I'm trying to get this for my parents because I've seen them still using foot filing, by hand, and it's like, yeah, this might be an awesome Christmas gift. So, or heck, for everyday gift, for that matter. Apparently, to remove all the things and charging, it's pretty simple. So, it doesn't really take much. It's meant for household use, of course, and it's rechargeable and cordless, which is cool. I'm pretty sure my parents will enjoy it, and I guess it's a pretty awesome deal. Anyways, guys, please like, subscribe, hit that bell button for more Costco finds, and see you next time. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.